Hello, I bought this iPhone 13 for really cheap. The price I paid was 200 bucks. So let's fix it. Why was it so cheap then? It was cheap because there is a dot on the screen and battery needs replacement. So let's replace both of these parts and make some money. I will share how much money I made at the end of the video. Remove the two screws at the bottom and put the phone on a hot plate. Now let's use my favorite opening machine Refox RS50. Put the phone inside, put some isopropyl alcohol around the sides and slowly open the phone. We are now inside the device. Start by removing the bracket covering the battery and display. Disconnect the battery and disconnect the display. And remove and disconnect the bracket covering the proximity sensor flex cable. To make the battery replacement easier, I will remove the loudspeaker that is held in by 4 screws. Now we have better access to the battery pull tabs. Unfortunately, I snapped all the battery pull strips, so I will use isopropyl alcohol to soften the adhesive and make the removal easier. By the way, if you enjoy the videos, please like the video and subscribe, it is free. For a replacement battery I will use this aftermarket diagnostic battery. I already made one video about these fake original batteries, so be sure to check it out. For a display I will use spooled original display. Connect up the battery and connect up the display assembly. Screw in the corresponding brackets. Unfortunately, I didn't replace the display adhesive because I didn't have one in stock. Clean the smudges before closing it. Remove the dust and close up the phone. Install the screws at the bottom. And the phone is almost done. Now power up the phone and head to the parts and service settings. Finish the battery and display repair and wait for the phone to boot into diagnostic mode. Configure the battery and the display, and the phone is now repaired. So, how much money did we make? The phone was 200 bucks, the battery was 15 bucks, and the display I got for 50 bucks. So, the total is 265 bucks. And I have sold the phone for 450 bucks. The total profit is 185 bucks. That's decent for 30 minutes of work. Comment what you think and see you next week. Bye.